Hi.
Hi.
We're here in our kitchen.
Yeah.
And you guys won't be able to guess what we're doing today.
We are playing with... Oh. We're playing with this?
Oh, I got the wrong thing.
Yeah. We're not actually playing with this. Uh-oh. We are
Making a cake. Making a cake.
New video.
Alright, let's get this thing cracked open.
We have everything set up.
Yes, we
have
have
the water, the bowl. Look, we got water. Oh, and also, we went to the shop just for this video to get vegetable oil. We also got icing. We were at the caravan just today. But we didn't get the icing just today.
Oh no, we made the cake.
We went to the shop.
Done.
We went to Aldi.
We're done. No.
Yes, cake mix.
Okay, we've got instructions on the back of the box, so we'll be going by them.
Fast. We need to beat the eggs.
No, first we need to preheat the oven, but it doesn't tell us how to do that.
We heat the oven.
Yes, we need to heat the oven, obviously. Oh yes, preheat oven.
28 to 26 minutes. 23 to 28 minutes.
Preheat oven to about 180 Celsius. Or 160 for fan assisted ovens. Hold on.
Celsius.
Hold on, are we? Yeah, we do fan. We're fan. Hold on. Don't do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't say anything about fan. Right.
Okay.
I know what I'm doing, definitely.
So, yeah. So he's doing this. So yeah, that just came off.
Yeah, that happened.
Yeah, you
goes
just
back
need
on.
to pop that on. Yeah, it comes off. Okay then, it comes off.
Yeah,
Now
I'm gonna try and
everyone
take
knows
it
that.
out. I'm gonna make sure these all still work.
It works. Okay, yeah, it does.
They work.
Okay then. So
I'm going to get some assistance. I'll be back. Hold on. I got some assistance.
time to put it on.
Ready. Okay. Let's get on with the video, huh? You guys didn't come here to watch me fail to set up an oven. Beat the eggs with water. Beat the eggs. Beat the eggs, water, oil, and cake mix. Or eggs, milk, butter, and cake mix.
Have we got butter?
Yeah.
Should we have butter?
Oh, we don't need butter. Okay, so that was a brain fart moment. We didn't need the butter.
Oil. Eggs.
Oh yeah.
Move this out the way so you can see the eggs.
Yeah, so I thought we needed butter, but it turns out we don't. Also, we are going to be making we're going to be making a sandwich cake. Because we got 2 tins that are the same.
Don't hit me again.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, bro. We do need the butter. Yeah, we're back in a sec. Okay, so tip number 1. Always wash your hands. Locate your sink, and if you're an idiot, go ask your parents, or if you're an adult and you don't know how to locate your own sink, then you're an idiot. But once you've located your sink, go wash your hands. So we'll meet you over there. And we are here at the designated sink. You might have yourself some hand soap or not. We have got Kids Hand Wash Splashy Strawberry Family Fun Edition by Lacora. We are going to turn on our tap. We're going to give ourselves a little bit of soap. We're going to rub your hands together like this. And you've got to wash your hands. This feels like I'm doing a tutorial for idiots.
We have also a candle to make the room smell nice.
Yes, we do have candles. Now then, you dry, you turn off your tap. Well, if you got a partner, you turn off the tap anyway. You turn off the tap, and you go, and you dry your hands with a tea towel. I don't know what Americans use, but us British people use tea towels. And also, Americans probably have a bigger kitchen.
Turn off the tap.
But when you've finished washing and drying your hands, go back to your food or your setup. And we are back over at our setup. We've got our 2 baking tins. Now then, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be greasing them. What you're going to need is butter. We are using Butterly Flora. So, what you want to do is... That's funny. You just saw that thing like, right? You get your finger... and you get some butter on your finger, and I'm going to start with the bottom. You can do this too.
I'm going to do this one.
Yeah, I know. Right, so the stunt has got the new one. I've got the older one.
Because you're old.
And then what you're going to do with your finger of butter, you're just going to mix around the bottom with the butter, and if you run out, you just get some more, just like so, and you try and get all of the bottom. Try going around the edges.
More like just like soup because it's slippery.
Yeah. As you can see, I look like a professional.
Because he basically is, because he cooks in school.
And once you've done the bottom, that is almost all of your tin greased.
Wait, but you have to do the sides, don't you?
Yeah, that's why I said almost all.
Ah.
Now just to make sure you've got around the side, well, near like the edge of the bottom, like so, you just want to put it on the ground and just spin the side in a circle. And if it sort of glides as you like this, yep, then you have got it done. You've done that right. Now get some more butter on your finger, like so. And this time on the wall like there, and you're just gonna rub your finger like sort of so. You can do it differently to me, but I prefer to do it this way, only because it seems a lot easier to do it like this. And if you want more of these videos, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Because
baking.
Yeah, more. Leave a like and subscribe for more baking. Because if you do, there's going to be a lot more baking. If you want some tutorials, I have got a tutorial on how to make biscuits. So leave a like if you want to see some biscuits.
Oh yeah, you've got the biscuit mix, haven't you?
Yeah.
Whatever it's called.
I got a biscuit thing. I want to share how to make biscuits with you guys. It's going to end up being a baking channel, I think. It's going to be like a half gaming, half baking channel. This is going to end up being.
Maybe we can start calling the channel the bakers. Because we are starting to share this channel.
Yeah. Once you have finished,
Make sure you don't get your whole hand buttered like me.
Yeah, don't be the stunt. Be a me, professional.
After this video, they probably will.
No, they're gonna need more videos.
Well, they're gonna probably be amateur.
For me, I am done greasing.
I'm just doing a couple of layers.
I'm just gonna get some more on the bottom. Wow, yours looks terrible. Here's mine. Barely see any butter. Yeah, here is the stunts. And we'll see you in a sec. After I've cleaned my hands. Okay, everyone, we got a little problem. I've lost the eggs and the cake mix. We've got water, got oil, got no cake mix, and we've got no cake mix and no eggs. Also, I'm just kidding, if you could see it, it's the egg bowl. And you obviously can't because I hid this one well. The cake mix. Oh my god. Ooh, blah, ooh. Egg number 1. Jesus Christ, I put a giant hole in that. That was perfect. There's no shell or anything. There's yolk dripping all over it. All over the place. I don't know, I'm not going to blow in it. I'm not going to... Hold on, let me have a good check. Yeah, there's no yolk. That's perfect.
There's no...
What?
There's no shell, you mean?
Oh yeah, there's no shell. There is yolk. There's no shell. Eggo was perfecto. Big bowl. Cake mix.
Oh.
Somebody stole our best scissors. I don't know who. But if you're out there, just remember they were on a Renault Megane. You stole them from us and now we've got these crap scissors that don't work. Oh, how could you? My God! What is that?
Oh. Look how much is coming out at a time.
Oh, why did Dad leave the scissors out?
No, that's not much in there, is it? Alright then. So we have a knife. You need to be careful because we don't want cake mix going everywhere.
No, I don't.
I don't either.
That's better.
Get all the cake mix in it. There was some at the bottom. Right at the bottom.
Empty. You happy? About 20 minutes and we've only just put the cake mix in. In goes egg. Egg. Crack the 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 egg. I cracked the egg.
Yeah, just be careful.
Egg number 2. Egg number 3. Number 3.
Did you get shell in it?
No, but it went everywhere. Number 3. Ooh. In goes the water and the vegetable oil. And then it's time to mix.
Mix.
I got a whisk. He's got a spoon thingy. And let's go. Let's get mixing, eh? Hold on. Electric whisk.
Oh yeah, it'll blends it.
What? No. Not with the spoon. Right, you keep mixing now. Clean this up.
No, not for you, Nathan.
I'm just going to put that in the wash. Alright, electric whisk.
While I mix it all, he is electric whisking it.
Hold on, take the spoon out for a sec. I prefer it.
Get all the chocolate there.
It's good. Right, keep your spoon out for a sec. Because I'm going to use the whisk. So, if you're doing it by yourself, I'd say use a whisk. And also, if your little brother wants to do it with you, just say you can do most of the stuff and not mixing. You would probably get it everywhere. Joe.
Now listen to the sound it makes.
That look good, guys.
Oh, it's getting stronger.
Yeah, it's getting hard to do. So I think that might just do it for the cake thing.
Mix.
Well, yeah, the cake mix.
But not for the video yet.
No, not for the video. We gotta bake it.
You gotta bake it. How long
I
does
gotta-
it say you bake it for?
– 23 to 28 minutes.
Ooh.
But we might, yeah, we'll put it in for 30. Only because the cake mixes me. Right, stop. Because you're not getting the middle.
A little more vegetable oil.
Try and get some water out of it then. Oh, that one. There we go.
There's still vegetable oil.
What are we doing?
Right, this can stay in there. This needs
What's
to.
that?
No, stop. Alright, that's it for the whisk, guys.
You can just watch this tray, it's hot.
How long's that been in?
Not long.
Why?
Because it's hot.
I had more chicken nuggets than
No, these are fish fingers.
Oh. Oh, it was that.
It beeps when it's covered. Okay, get me both the tins.
Tin.
Both.
Tin.
Yeah, I didn't realise it was failing me.
They were both slippy, so I couldn't get them properly.
Slippy.
Slippery. Slippery.
Alright, what we're gonna do is
Make a sandwich cake. Jane Asher. So this icing is from Jane Asher. Oh yeah, Lucas is still doing the cake mix. How's it going? Not so good.
tiring.
It's not like going all around.
Oh, it's not like
crazy.
you could help me.
With what?
It doesn't matter. What are you doing?
I'm having fun.
I have fun watching this. Watching me get terrorised by the fact that you're not helping. Oh my god. The reason I'm spending more time on this one here is because this is going to be the bottom one. So I'm making the bottom one the biggest. Biggest is the plumpest. Ooh. Oh no! Oh, I just got a big blob on the side. Try and lick that up if you want.
Outside.
Lick that up, you fat pig.
What? No, Daddy's making you tea. No, I'm making you
I
tea.
can toast the egg.
Get as much as I surely doodly can. Hold on.
I don't think the cake mix tastes the best, but you know, the cake, it might be.
I mean, it is by, I don't know, what is it by? Who is it by?
It's not by Jane Asher.
It's Devil's Food. They say it's not the best, it is really good. Don't take out any out of the tin and just give it a wiggle.
Wiggle. I don't think there's enough, you know, for it to rise. But it will. I'm just gonna get it over from this side, like that. No, what did you do? I don't really like it, but I'm still eating. Look. Silly boy. We've been here for half an hour.
I got that one.
Wait.
I say give the bottom one.
Sponge.
I said give the bottom one.
Don't touch the rails. You should be able to get both of them on one shelf.
As I clean up, they put
How long does it say? How long does it
28,
say?
23 to
minutes.
28.
28 minutes.
We
Right, we will be.
see you when the cake is done.
Yeah.